Yeah, you are my water, what I require. Just know when I say that I just swim that way.
But we are two worlds apart. You can't reach my heart when you say that you just swim that way. I won't cry, just remember the old days.
I won't cry,
It's alright if it feels gay. We won't cry, I never wanna hear you say I just swim that way.
am I your water, what you require? Yes, I know it's too late. You just swim that way. I won't cry, just remember the old days. I won't cry,
It's alright if it feels gay. We won't cry,
you
never wanna hear you say I just swim that way. Now we can see that we're drifting apart from the way that we used to be. Yeah,
no matter the distance, I want you to know
that deep down inside of me you are my water, what we require.
you are.
You
Don't wanna hear you say,
just remember the old days.
don't you cry,
It's alright if it feels gay.
don't you cry.
I never wanna hear you say I just swim that way.
Don't you cry,
Just remember the old days.
don't you cry,
It's alright if it feels gay.
don't you cry.
I never wanna hear you say
That I
just swim that way.
I won't cry,
Just remember the old days.
no, no, no.
It's alright if it feels gay.
Don't you cry,
I never wanna hear you say
oh no.
just swim that way.
'Cause I just swim that way.
When I was in the 3rd grade, I thought that I was gay, cause I could draw. My uncle was, and I kept my room straight. I told my mom, tears rushing down my face. She's like, Ben, you've loved girls since before pre-K. Trippin'. Yeah, I guess she had a point, didn't she? Bunch of stereotypes all in my head. I remember doing the math, like, yeah, I'm good at Little League. A preconceived idea of what it all meant. But those that like the same sex have the characteristics. The right-wing conservatives think it's a decision, and you can be cured with some treatment in religion. Man-made rewiring of a predisposition, playing God. Oh nah, here we go. America the brave still fears what we don't know. And God loves all his children. It's somehow forgotten, but we paraphrase a book written 3,500 years ago. I don't know.
and I can't change. Even if I tried, even if I wanted to, and I can't change. Even if I tried, even if I wanted to. My love, my love, my love, she keeps me warm. She keeps me warm. She keeps me warm. She keeps me warm.
If I was gay, I would think hip-hop hates me. Have you read the YouTube comments lately? Man, that's gay, gets dropped on the daily. We become so numb to what we're saying. A culture founded from oppression, yet we don't have acceptance for 'em. Call each other faggots behind the keys of a message board. A word rooted in hate, yet our genre still ignores it. Gay is synonymous with the lesser. It's the same hate that's caused wars from religion, gender to skin color, the complexion of your pigment. The same fight that led people to walkouts and sit-ins. It's human rights for everybody, there is no difference. Live on and be yourself. When I was at church, they taught me something else. If you preach hate at the service, those words aren't anointed. That holy water that you soak in has been poisoned. When everyone else is more comfortable remaining voiceless rather than fighting for humans that have had their rights stolen. I might not be the same, but that's not important. No freedom till we're equal, damn right I support it. Press play, don't press pause. Progress march on, with the veil over our eyes. We turn our back on the cause, till the day that my uncles can be united by law. When kids aren't walking around the hallway, plagued by pain in their heart. A world so hateful, some would rather die than be who they are. And a certificate on paper isn't gonna solve it all, but it's a damn good place to start. No law is gonna change us, we have to change us. Whatever God you believe in, we come from the same one. Strip away the fear, underneath it's all the same love. About time that we raised up.
I can't change.